Profix Online Training. Introduction to Profix. Profix is a corporate performance management (CPM) software designed to help organizations streamline budgeting, forecasting, financial reporting, and analysis. It provides tools for financial planning and analysis (FP&A), enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and improve their financial management processes. Key features of Profix: budgeting and forecasting, automated workflows for budgeting and forecasting, support for multi-year planning and scenario modeling, integration with various data sources for accurate forecasting, financial reporting and analysis, customizable financial reports and dashboards, real-time data analysis and visualization, tools for variance analysis and performance tracking, data integration, integration with ERP systems, spreadsheets, and other data sources, data consolidation and validation for accurate reporting, workflow automation, streamlined processes for data collection, approval, and consolidation, automated alerts and notifications for key deadlines and tasks, collaboration, collaborative tools for team input and review, shared access to reports and planning documents, security and compliance, role-based access controls to protect sensitive financial data, compliance with industry standards and regulations. Benefits of Profix: improved accuracy. By automating data collection and integration, Profix reduces errors and enhances the accuracy of financial reports. Enhanced efficiency. Workflow automation and data consolidation save time and increase efficiency in financial planning processes. Better insights. Real-time analytics and customizable reports provide deeper insights into financial performance. Scalability. Profix can scale with the needs of growing organizations, accommodating more complex financial management requirements. Benefits of using Profix. Profix offers several benefits for financial and business planning, budgeting, and reporting. Here are some of the key advantages. Enhanced financial planning and analysis. Profix provides robust tools for budgeting, forecasting, and financial modeling. It helps organizations plan more effectively by integrating financial and operational data. Automated reporting. The platform automates the generation of financial reports and dashboards, saving time and reducing errors. This ensures timely and accurate reporting for better decision-making. Improved data accuracy. By consolidating data from various sources into a single platform, Profix helps improve data accuracy and consistency. This reduces the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. Scalability. Profix is designed to scale with the needs of growing organizations. It can handle increasing volumes of data and users, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. User-friendly interface. The platform offers an intuitive interface that allows users to easily navigate and interact with financial data. This simplifies the process of creating budgets, forecasts, and financial reports. Integration capabilities. Profix integrates with various ERP, CRM, and other business systems, allowing for seamless data flow and more comprehensive analysis. Scenario planning. Profix supports scenario analysis and what-if modeling, enabling users to evaluate different business scenarios and make more informed strategic decisions. Collaboration features. The platform facilitates collaboration by enabling multiple users to work together on budgets, forecasts, and reports. This enhances communication and ensures alignment across departments. Enhanced visibility. Profix provides real-time insights into financial performance, helping organizations monitor key metrics and track progress against goals. Cost efficiency. By automating routine tasks and reducing manual data handling, Profix helps organizations save time and reduce costs associated with financial planning and analysis. Profix architecture and components. Profix is a financial and performance management software that helps organizations with budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. Its architecture and components are designed to support various functionalities across finance and operational teams. Here's an overview of its architecture and key components. Architecture. Client-server model. Client. The user interface is typically web-based, allowing users to access Profix from various devices and locations. Server. The backend consists of several server components that handle data processing, calculations, and storage. Data integration. Profix integrates with various data sources such as ERP systems, databases, and spreadsheets. This is usually done through ETL, extract, transform, load processes. Database. Profix uses a relational database to store financial data, metadata, and application configurations. It typically supports databases like Microsoft SQL Server. Application server. This server hosts the Profix application, managing user requests, business logic, and interactions between the client and database. Web server. The web server serves the Profix application interface to users, handling HTTP requests and delivering web pages and data. Components. Profix application. Budgeting and forecasting, tools for creating, managing, and analyzing budgets and forecasts. Reporting and analysis, features for generating financial reports, dashboards, and performing data analysis. Workflow management, tools for automating and managing business processes and approvals. Data integration component. Data import-export, mechanisms for importing data from external sources and exporting data to other systems. ETL processes, tools for transforming and loading data into the Profix environment. Modeling engine. Financial modeling supports the creation of complex financial models, including driver-based planning and scenario analysis. Security and administration. User management, tools for managing user roles, permissions, and access levels. Data security, features to ensure data protection and compliance with security standards. Analytics and reporting. Ad hoc reporting, tools for creating custom reports and analysis on the fly. Pre-built templates, provides templates for standard reports and analyses. Integration framework. APIs, application programming interfaces for integrating Profix with other software and systems. Connectors, pre-built connectors for popular ERP systems and other business applications. Administration console. System configuration, tools for configuring system settings, managing data sources, and setting up application parameters. Financial planning and analysis with Profix. Profix is a financial planning and analysis (FP&A) solution that helps organizations manage their budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting processes. Here are some key features and benefits of using Profix for FP&A. Budgeting and forecasting. Automated workflows streamlines the budgeting and forecasting process by automating data collection, calculations, and reporting. Scenario planning allows you to model different scenarios and assess their impact on financial outcomes, enabling more informed decision-making. Financial consolidation. Multi-entity management facilitates consolidation of financial data across multiple entities or business units, ensuring accurate and timely financial reporting. Elimination and adjustment handles intercompany eliminations and adjustments automatically. Reporting and analysis. Customizable dashboards provides interactive dashboards and visualizations to track financial performance and key metrics. Ad hoc reporting enables users to create customized reports and perform in-depth analysis without needing extensive technical expertise. Data integration. Seamless data import integrates with various data sources, including ERP systems, spreadsheets, and other financial systems, ensuring that data is up-to-date and accurate. Data validation includes tools for validating and cleaning data before it is used in financial models and reports. Collaboration and workflow. Collaborative planning supports collaboration between finance teams and other departments through shared workspaces and integrated communication tools. Approval processes implements approval workflows to ensure that budgets and forecasts are reviewed and approved by the appropriate stakeholders. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future performance and identify trends. Performance metrics tracks and analyzes key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure financial health and operational efficiency. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design features a user-friendly interface that simplifies complex financial processes and reduces the learning curve for users. Compliance and security. Audit trails maintains detailed records of changes and approvals, ensuring transparency and compliance with regulatory requirements. Data security implements robust security measures to protect sensitive financial data. Data integration capabilities with Profix. Profix offers various data integration capabilities that enable seamless data management and reporting. Here are some key aspects of Profix's data integration. Data sources integration. ERP systems integration with ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics to pull financial and operational data. Databases supports integration with various databases, including SQL Server, Oracle, and MySQL. Spreadsheets can import data from Excel and other spreadsheet applications for easy integration with existing datasets. ETL, extract, transform, load. Profix includes ETL capabilities to extract data from different sources, transform it to meet business requirements, and load it into the Profix database for analysis and reporting. APIs. Profix provides APIs for custom integrations with other systems and applications, allowing for automated data exchange and integration. Data synchronization enables real-time or scheduled synchronization of data between Profix and other systems to ensure that reporting and analytics are based on the most up-to-date information. Pre-built connectors. Profix offers a range of pre-built connectors for popular business systems and data sources, simplifying the integration process. Custom data integration allows for the creation of custom integration solutions using Profix's integration tools and scripting capabilities. Data quality and validation includes features for data quality management, ensuring that integrated data is accurate, complete, and consistent. Cloud integration supports integration with cloud-based applications and platforms, enabling seamless data flow between on-premises and cloud environments. Reporting and dashboards in Profix. Profix offers robust capabilities for reporting and dashboards. Here's a breakdown of its features. Reporting. Custom reports. Profix allows users to create custom reports using a drag-and-drop interface, which helps tailor reports to specific needs. Pre-built templates. It includes a variety of pre-built report templates that can be customized. Ad hoc reporting. Users can generate ad hoc reports to answer specific questions or analyze particular data sets. Automated reporting. Schedule reports to be generated and distributed automatically, ensuring timely updates. Excel integration. Reports can be exported to Excel for further analysis or formatting. Dashboards. Interactive dashboards. Profix provides interactive dashboards that allow users to drill down into data for more detailed insights. Visualizations utilize charts, graphs, and other visual tools to present data in an understandable and actionable manner. Real-time data. Dashboards can display real-time data, giving up-to-date insights into business performance. User customization. Dashboards can be customized for different users or departments, ensuring relevant information is highlighted. Performance metrics. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics to monitor business performance. Key features. Data consolidation. Aggregate data from various sources into a unified view, making it easier to analyze and report on. Data security. Ensure that sensitive information is protected with robust security features. Collaboration tools. Share reports and dashboards with team members and stakeholders for collaborative decision-making. Implementation and deployment strategies in Profix. Implementing and deploying Profix, a corporate performance management (CPM) solution, involves several key strategies to ensure a successful rollout. Here's a comprehensive guide to implementation and deployment strategies. 1. Planning and preparation. A. Needs assessment. Conduct a thorough needs assessment to understand business requirements, pain points, and goals. Engage stakeholders from finance, IT, and other relevant departments to gather insights. B. Define objectives. Clearly define the objectives of the Profix implementation, such as improving budgeting processes, enhancing financial reporting, or streamlining data integration. C. Project planning. Develop a detailed project plan that includes timelines, resource allocation, budget, and risk management. Define key milestones and deliverables. D. Team formation. Assemble a project team with representatives from key departments, including a project manager, finance experts, IT professionals, and Profix consultants. 2. System design and configuration. A. Solution design. Design the Profix solution based on the requirements gathered. This includes configuring modules for budgeting, forecasting, reporting, and analytics. B. Data integration. Plan and implement data integration with existing systems such as ERP, CRM, and other financial systems. Ensure data accuracy and consistency. C. Customization. Customize Profix features to fit your organization's specific needs, such as custom reports, workflows, and dashboards. D. Security and access control. Define security roles and access controls to ensure that sensitive financial data is protected and accessible only to authorized users. 3. Deployment and testing. A. Deployment strategy. Decide on a deployment strategy, whether it's a phased rollout, pilot testing, or full-scale implementation. B. Testing. Conduct rigorous testing to ensure that the system functions as expected. This includes unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing, UAT. C. Training. Provide comprehensive training for end users and administrators. This includes training on Profix functionalities, best practices, and troubleshooting. D. Data migration. Migrate historical data from legacy systems to Profix. Verify data integrity and accuracy after migration. 4. Post-deployment and support. A. Go-live. Execute the go-live plan, ensuring all systems and processes are fully operational. Monitor the system closely for any issues or bugs. Training and support resources in Profix. Profix, a performance management software, offers various training and support resources to help users maximize their use of the platform. Here's a comprehensive overview of what's available. Training resources. Profix Academy. Courses offers a range of online courses tailored to different roles and levels of expertise. Topics include budgeting, forecasting, reporting, and data integration. Certification programs provides certification paths for users who wish to become Profix experts. Certifications often include in-depth training on specific modules or functionalities. Webinars. Live webinars, regularly scheduled webinars that cover new features, best practices, and advanced techniques. These sessions often include Q&A segments. On-demand webinars, archived webinars available for viewing at any time. Useful for users who missed live sessions or wish to revisit specific topics. Documentation and guides. User manuals, comprehensive guides on how to use different features and functionalities within Profix. These manuals often include step-by-step instructions and screenshots. Quick start guides, concise documents designed to help new users get started quickly with the basics of Profix. Training videos. Tutorial videos, short, Focused videos that demonstrate specific tasks or features within Profix. These can be helpful for visual learners who prefer step-by-step demonstrations. Profix Community Forums, an online community where users can ask questions, share insights, and discuss best practices with other Profix users. Knowledge Base, a repository of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting tips contributed by both Profix and its user community. Support Resources. Customer Support. Help Desk provides assistance with technical issues, bug reports, and general inquiries. Support can often be reached via phone, email, or an online ticketing system. Support Portal, a dedicated portal where users can submit support tickets, track the status of their requests, and access historical support interactions. Technical Support. Technical documentation, detailed documentation on system requirements, installation procedures, and configuration settings. System diagnostics, tools and resources to help diagnose and resolve technical issues related to Profix. Consulting services, implementation support, professional services to assist with the initial setup and customization of Profix, including data integration and system configuration. Performance optimization, consulting services focused on optimizing the performance of Profix to meet specific business needs and goals. Why choose ProExcellency for Profix online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Profix online training offers several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often features trainers with extensive experience in Profix and related financial planning and analysis tools. This ensures you get high-quality, knowledgeable instruction. Customized learning. They can tailor the training to meet your specific needs, whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance advanced skills. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency provides a detailed curriculum that covers all aspects of Profix, from basic functionalities to advanced features, ensuring a thorough understanding of the software. Flexible learning options. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which is ideal for busy professionals. Hands-on practice. They often include practical exercises and real-world scenarios to help you apply what you've learned and gain hands-on experience. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically offers ongoing support and access to additional resources, helping you troubleshoot issues and deepen your knowledge even after the training. Positive reviews. Their training programs are often well-reviewed by previous participants, indicating a high level of satisfaction and effectiveness. Thank you.